Assalamu alaikum. Good time to all of you. Hope you are hell and hearty. I'm also over the moon. My name is Mohammad Rashiduddin. I'm a student of Chittagong College. Currently, I'm a student of Garden of English. Today, I would like to talk about the video making system. The video making system is a powerful part of this course. It helps us to speak confidently and build confidence. In my opinion, it is the best way to learn English. I believe that regular video practice, easier speaking and more natural and clear. Every day we record a short video on different topics. This allows us to speak in English regularly. We can learn how to express our ideas and improve our pronunciations, fluency, grammar, and body language. By watching our videos, we can find our mistake and we try to do better in the next video. Teachers can also give useful feedback after watching our video. One major advantage is that we become more confident in front of the camera. Video making system also help us make our confidence, build our self-confidence. When we speak English in front of the people, we feel shy, we feel fear. But this habit remove our darkness, remove our fearness. It also helps us our vocabulary and sentence formations. To sum up topic, the video making system is a effective learning method for learning English. I hope every people practicing video every day, there will be confident, there will be fluency, there will be get fluency. That's all about my topic. Thanks for watching my video. Assalamu alaikum.